Excel files, or spreadsheets in general, are probably one of the most common tools used in manufacturing companies. The challenge with spreadsheets are that if you happen to be an engineer and you need a particular piece of information from a spreadsheet, you might have to wade through hundreds or thousands or more spreadsheets before you find what you're looking for. And who wants to waste time doing that? So let me show you how, by using Inforbix, you can very quickly pinpoint the Excel file or spreadsheet that you're looking for and the information therein that will be helpful or useful to you. So let me go ahead and start by entering at least a few pieces of information that I know. So I went ahead and entered Josh because I happen to know that he is the last individual that authored or modified the particular spreadsheet that I'm looking for. Now I know a few more pieces of information. I know that it was an Excel file, and I know that it was originally authored by Frank. So I need to narrow this down because I found over 6,800 results. These are not all Excel files, but it gives you an idea how many pieces of information I might have to sort of wade through if I didn't have Inforbix that relate somehow to what I'm looking for. But fortunately, I can go ahead and easily and very intuitively narrow it down. So I'm going to, I know that I want an Excel file, and I know that the original author of the Excel file is a guy named Frank. So I'm just writing his name down. I'm applying the filter. And sure enough, now Inforbix very quickly is able to pinpoint the specific Excel file that I'm looking for. You'll note here that the last author was Josh. He's the last guy that touched this. And the original author is Frank. So I know that I'm definitely getting a lot closer because this seems to be the Excel file that I'm looking for. Now Inforbix takes this one step further because it automatically collects information within that spreadsheet. In this case, all the worksheets or in pieces of information within that. So I'm just going to go here to this link, which is going to take me to all the specific worksheets within this particular Excel file. And there are 13 such worksheets. So let's say now that I want to narrow this down a little bit further because I don't want to wade through all these worksheets to find the specific piece of information that I need. In fact, what I'm looking for are engineering change order reports or data points for a particular customer. So if I know the name of the customer that I'm looking for, and it turns out that I do, chances are I know who my customers are. I know that this is by state, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search within these particular results. So I'm just going to click here, search within results. I've entered the name of the customer, and now Inforbix is going to look within all these different worksheets and go ahead and tell me which of the worksheets that are relevant to me. And sure enough, very quickly I come back and see that this particular Excel worksheet has a reference to customer by state. Now there are a few others, there's 3 of them, but I think the first one is probably going to be the one I need. And you can see here on the far right that Inforbix lets me go ahead and create a table. In other words, I'll be able to see the information within that worksheet on a virtual table that Inforbix has automatically created and populated for me. So here you go. So I see the change order numbers, the reference numbers, the comments, costs, date completed, and date received. This is exactly what I was looking for. So in summary, what Inforbix has done is it's helped me pinpoint the specific piece of information or pieces of information that I was looking for in a spreadsheet amongst spreadsheets, files that could have been located anywhere and everywhere in my company. And it's allowed me to narrow down and pinpoint exactly what I need very quickly. Now imagine how much time I've been able to save. And I'll be a lot more productive. Anyway, I hope this is helpful, and thank you.